New cars today, compact with all the latest bells and whistles. Heated seats, massive touchscreens, even semi-autonomous driving. But here's the question. Are they reliable? A new Consumer Reports 2025 reliability study says, not even close. That shiny new car in your driveway? It could be a financial time bomb! One designed to fail just after your warranty runs out. And when it does, you could be staring down repair bills bigger than your monthly car payment. Today, we're breaking down the 20 worst vehicles of 2025, the models most likely to destroy your wallet. We'll expose the design flaws, hidden engineering shortcuts, and corporate decisions that put profits over customers. And we'll show you how to protect yourself from becoming the next victim. The big picture. Why modern cars are failing? What most buyers don't realize is these failures aren't bad luck. They are often the result of deliberate design and cost cutting. Internal documents from major automakers reveal something disturbing. Many components are engineered to last, just long enough to avoid warranty claims, but not long enough to keep you out of the repair shop once that warranty expires. And it's not just budget cars. In fact, the most profitable vehicles, luxury, SUVs, and premium sedans often have the highest catastrophic failure rates. Combine that with record high car prices, averaging $57,000, and loan terms stretching up to 84 months, and you have a perfect storm. Costly failures, vehicles worth less than the loans tied to them, and owner is forced into debt, defaults, or even bankruptcy. The 20 worst offenders of 2025 American nightmares. 1. Ford Explorer EcoBoost engine. Marketed as innovative and fuel. The Explorer's 2.3L turbocharged EcoBoost engine is failing as early as 60,000 miles. Root cause: carbon buildup in the direct injection system. A design flaw engineers flagged but executives ignored. The cost: $3,000 for $1,000 to clean. If you need a full engine replacement, $12,000. Consumer Reports found 62% of owners report serious issues by 75,000 miles, with many failures happening just weeks after the warranty ends. 2. GM Trucks and SUVs Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, Suburban, Tahoe, Yukon. GM's much-hyped active fuel management system is causing catastrophic lifter failures. The fix: partial rebuilds at $4,000, $8,000, or full engine replacements. The reality: lawsuits show GM knew these defects existed, but pushed production to meet corporate fuel economy goals. Meanwhile, Toyota Tundra owners from the same years are cruising past 200,000 miles without major issues. 3. Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator, the infamous death wobble, is alive and well. A violent front-end shake at highway speeds that makes drivers feel like they're losing control. Cause: solid front axle plus outdated suspension geometry. Cost: front-end rebuilds average $2,000. Impact: up to 20% lower resale value due to this known issue. And yet Stellantis keeps denying it's a design flaw. Tech disasters. 4. Tesla Model Y. Tesla's innovation is undeniable, but early adopters are paying the price. Heat pump failures affect 38% of owners within 3 years. $4,000, $6,000 fixes out a warranty. Critical electronics failures leave cars undrivable, with Tesla often blaming software or charging owners for problems caused by updates. And with limited service centers, many wait weeks or even months for repairs. 5. Mercedes-Benz EQ. The luxury Eve dream turned into a financial nightmare. Battery management failures affect 32% of owners. Repair costs: $22,000 for a full battery replacement. Depreciation: one owner watched his $87,000 EQE lose $52,000 in value in just 18 months. 6. Audi e-tron GT. Beautiful car. Exhilarating drive. Catastrophic electrical failures. Repair bills: over $20,000. Wait times: up to 4 months, 4 parts. Response: Audi refuses to extend warranties despite internal engineers warning about under-engineered cooling systems. Family vehicle failure 7. Honda Odyssey, known as the reliable family hauler until now. Transmission failures hit 42% of owners before 75,000 miles. Repair costs $6,000, $8,000. A devastating hit for families relying on these vans. 8. Toyota Sienna Hybrid. Toyota's bulletproof reputation takes a hit. Hybrid battery cooling system failures lead to full hybrid system replacements costing $12,000. Many owners saw failures just after the warranty expired, with Toyota offering only partial coverage. 9. Kia, Telluride, and Hyundai Palisade. Engine oil consumption leads to bearing failure and complete engine seizures. Often, without warning, repair cost $15,000 plus for full engine replacement. Catch: warranty claims are often denied unless you can prove frequent oil checks. Something buyers were never told was required. The bigger financial trap: modern car ownership isn't just expensive, it's financially dangerous. Loans stretch 7 years. Failures hit in years 3 to 5. Depreciation skyrockets if the failure is known, making it impossible to sell without taking a huge loss. Add dealer service rates averaging $175 an hour, and even minor issues now cost thousands. The hidden truth about modern car design: these catastrophic failures aren't random. They're the result of profit-driven engineering. Components designed to last just past warranty. Planned obsolescence. Not failing immediately, but failing predictably, just late enough to avoid recalls. Complicit media. Car reviewers focus on features and performance, not long-term reliability. Only outlets like Consumer Reports, which rely on ONA surveys, consistently expose these systemic issues. How to protect yourself in 2025? Avoid first-year models or new tech. Let other buyers be the beta testers. Research-specific. Base models often outlast their high-tech variants. Don't assume luxury equals reliability. Mainstream brands like Toyota, Honda, and Mazda are often far more durable. Budget for modern repair costs. Major fixes now start at $5,000. Plan accordingly. The uncomfortable truth: the golden era of bulletproof cars is over. Cars from the 90s easily hit 200,000 miles. Today's models, many fail catastrophically before 100,000 miles. Manufacturers now treat cars like disposable tech products, planned for replacement, not long-term use, while locking buyers into long-term debt. That shiny new car you're eyeing? It could be the beginning of a financial nightmare. The good news: knowledge is power. Do your research. Avoid early adopter models. Use long-term reliability data, not just glossy reviews, to guide your purchase. If you found this information helpful, hit that subscribe button and share this video with anyone thinking about buying a new car. And don't miss our next video, where we reveal the most reliable cars of 2025. The models that still deliver true long-term value. Remember, the most important feature in any car isn't a touchscreen or 500 horsepower. It's a car that starts reliably every morning, without draining your bank account.